Morning, Steve Freed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Overnight prices were pretty unchanged, actually maybe even started out a little bit lower. This morning they bounced, led by beans. There is a concern that a high pressure ridge over Argentina and southern Brazil may persist for a while. The main impact right now is on the Argentine corn crop. About 60% of it will be pollinating over the next 2 to 3 weeks. A drier and hotter forecast could affect production there. It's also the timing of last year when things turned dry for South America and they had a lower soybean crop. So there is some nervousness about whether that might happen again this year. Our weather guy still thinks that by the end of January the weather will change back to normal for Argentina and southern Brazil, but it's something that has to be watched. We are at, technically speaking, in the beans near some of the key moving averages, and we're right in the middle of 20 and 50 days. So whatever direction this market goes, it could probably trigger some selling below support and buying above resistance. So this is a pretty important price range for the soybean market. Corn, we're up a couple of cents. Yesterday, Argentina announced a suspension of their export licenses. The market has been in an uptrend since the January 4th low, and some of that is due to the December 1 U.S. corn stocks report. Cash markets domestically a little bit firmer, and we still don't have an export market, which could limit the upside in corn, but we are trying to bounce off the season lows. In the wheat market, there is rumors yesterday that China bought U.S. hard red spring wheat off the Pacific Northwest. That has pushed the market over some key initial resistance at the 20-day moving average. We're just under $8, and that would probably be your next resistance. There's a lot of upside potential in this market if for some reason the weather in South America, the weather in the United States, or the weather in Russia turns drier. All these things have not really been played out yet in price discovery. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.